Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. As you all know that we have started the continuation of passive voices. So this is almost the 7 tense, and we are left with only one tense. Then future perfect tense. Okay. So first of all, I will talk about present past perfect tense, and I will also talk about its active and passive structure. So सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बात बताता हूँ कि मैंने ये past perfect tense चूज कहाँ पे करना होते हैं. यानी as the name suggests past, गुजरे हुए टाइम पे, perfect, पास्ट में एक काम परफेक्ट हो चुका था लेकिन मुझे नहीं टाइम मालूम कि वो किस टाइम हो चुका था और क्या. समझ आते. पास्ट टाइम पे एक काम कंप्लीट हो चुका था. तेर वक्त की औकार पूरे शेव. सही झालं का. तेर वक्त की औकार पूरे शेव, बट आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट टाइम. ओके. तो इसका जो उर्दू का पहचान है वो क्वाइट इजी है. दैट इज चुका था, चुकी थी, चुके थे, लिया था, फिर गई करना, गया था वगैरह. ठीक है. दिस ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज इट्स एक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर. कैसे तो होगा ना एक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर. So first of all, I will have to put subject, and then I will have to put head, and then I will have to use third form of verb, and then I will have to use object. Okay. For example, I am going to write a sentence. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके थे. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके थे. So how we had played, फिर गई का ना क्रिकेट. We had played क्रिकेट. हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके थे. लाइक क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके थे. दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल चुके थे. So now like this is a helping verb of this tense, and we will have to bring it first. Like had we played cricket. Okay. Yes sir. Done. Now I'm going to write its passive structure. Passive structure. Okay. So it's quite easy to, it's very easy. Okay, look at here, Sad. First of all, I will have to bring object, then I will have to bring head, and then I will have to bring been, plus third form of verb, and plus I will have to use by, to, with, or in, and then I will have to use plus subject. Okay. Done. Now sir, we sir Mary sir rale example laka. No argu mardakha mungotola laka ni mana bada khabara. ठीक है. अच्छा. So like I'm going to bring this very sentence over here. ठीक है. So I'm going to write a sentence over here like we had played cricket. We had played cricket. Okay. So according to this structure, cricket had been played by us. Done. Yes. It's quite easy. Now next sentence, like I'm going to ask a question. Had we played cricket. So how, like had the cricket, sorry, had cricket been played by us, and this is sign of interrogation. One more sentence I would like to give you an example. Like for example, I have had not known him. मैं उसे नहीं जान चुका था। ठीक है, वो मेरी के साथ मैं नहीं एग्जाम्पल देता, वही वो नो के साथ भी वही होते हैं। ठीक है, तो ऐसा ही हैड बीन, ही हैड नॉट बीन माना। अब यार ये वो ही हैड नॉट बीन known to me. दादा का देखिए बाय गले कौन दिखा हुए बाय बाय करे मक हुए ऐसे। ओके, so this is according to Nasr. Now to is used when we have two verbs know or marry. With is used when the subject is not a human. Like for example, as I already give you an example, like books filled the drawer, so the drawer was filled with books, or had filled the drawer, so had been filled with books. Okay, in is used like I may say he cook, for example I may say like for example we may say tasum su aayega na. For example we may say like Pakistan does not grow potatoes, or Pakistan had not grown potatoes. भी गई क्या ना? So potatoes had not been grown in Pakistan. ठीक है, एंड वो इन वो तो ऑलरेडी मैं बताया। ठीक है, सो दिस वाज आवर टुडेज लेक्चर। इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन you can ask me directly. Those who are watching my videos, if you have any questions, so you can ask me in the comment. Thank you so very much. Assalamu alaikum.